Tutorial on how to register and deposit. This investment platform are for risk takers only. Invest what you can afford to lose. You can download the app of ROARK Fund to use easier. After you download the app, you can use it properly and log in your account again. If you have a problem or other issue, you can contact the admin on the messenger anytime. But first, you need to send your ID account and your issue. You can join the official group chat on the Telegram, and you can observe before you take a risk. Here's a list of the products if you want to invest, but before that, you have to recharge first. This is just an example. You can see here your product orders, and your daily income is directly to your balance.